Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. So in this part, I grabbed the new another brush. So as you can see, there's a rubber cap on this one. This one's really nasty, and then there's the plastic different one. So let's try this one just to see if it fits. And it actually does fit, and it fits perfectly fine. This one, it fits in. It's got a little plastic bearing that it can ride on. I don't really know why they changed the design, but the other one works fine, so just a little tip. But in this video, part 2, we're going to be removing the wheels. In this one, you're going to need your Torx bit. There's going to be 1, 2, 3. It's kind of hidden right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each wheel. And also, let me go ahead and explain this before I take these out. When we talk about robot vacuum cleaner parts, so the robot is facing me. So you the person are behind the robot like it would be driving away from you. You have your right side, your left side. When you flip it over, your left side is now on your right and your right side is on your left. So right side, left side. So this is the left motor, that's the right motor. Because when you flip it over, that's the right one, that's the left one. And on some Sharks, it does have left and right denominations on the wheels, and that is the way that they did it. So just a heads up, that's how you will determine what wheel you need or if both. And honestly, if you're gonna buy one, you might as well buy both and replace both and use the other one for parts or spare. Because you buy one from any of us resellers of these parts, one is gonna cost you, on this model particularly, roughly $45 to $55, depending on who's selling it and with shipping cost. If you buy it as a set, you're paying $80 and usually a pretty cheap shipping of like 10 bucks, we'll say. So you save a little bit when you buy one. I mean, you save a little bit when you buy both off of shipping because you're getting both. Because say you replace one and you actually need both, you save there, and also you'll have the spare as a backup. But most of the time it's 55 for one, 80 for two. So, you know, it adds up like that. All right, now that you have those out, you're gonna slowly wiggle it back and forth and pry it out. There is a cable that is connected, and it looks like on the 761 series, which we have right here, it is a little bit more of a pain than typically. Get a flathead in there and remove that clip, or if you can get your finger in there. Easier way to do it is to push up on the wheel. I'll show you with the next one. I just wanted to show you all how it's going to come out though. All right, so we're going to wiggle it, push the wheel down, and there you have it. Now, what you're going to want to look for in your wheel is nice smooth transitions, no grinding sounds. Those sound great. Perfect. All right. The spring needs to be there. If you don't have a spring, it's going to give you an error every time. And also make sure the end caps of the motors aren't broke or there's nothing inside. These motors, check out, they're pretty decent looking. You can open them up, but they're all gear driven, so you don't have to worry about belts like the brush motor. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Come back for part 3 where we remove the front bumper assembly where all the sensors are, and I'll explain that in that video.